Classroom today needs a technology that keeps student focused and help teachers teach effectively. But current display panel what you are buying does not help you much because it is just a combination of some writing tools, some math tools, some physics tools like that. In fact, what you are doing is changing your whiteboard to a colorful interactive flat panel, and you are not getting even return of 20% against the investment done by you. And that's the basic reason EKIN has come up with the AI panel powered with a completely new hardware. A display panel designed to bring lessons to life. It offers AI powered lesson plan, content creation inside the classrooms, and multi-language support. Not only that, you can do a virtual simulations, 3D module for better understanding, and yes, you can create live classes and quiz. EKIN AI turns every lesson into an experience. Teachers can share topic more clearly and students are engaged and involved. As a proud Make in India company, EKIN AI display panel is built to be reliable, easy to use and ready for the classroom. In the past, we have given solutions to the IITs, IIM and NITs and more than 3,000 institutes across India. Thank you very much. Namaste.